What's up? Welcome back. This is Robin alongside Shanique. We are here today to do our homemade pizza for the first time. So first, I pressurize the chicken in some water and some seasoning. This is the finished product right here. After it's done, about 20 minutes or 30. I don't really know the time. I didn't really check it. But anyways, we're now shredding the. We have shredded chicken now remained in, straining the chicken stock from it. This is the finished product of the shredded chicken. Now we're going to prepare the flour right here. Afterwards, we actually added some oil, a bit of baking powder, a pinch of salt, one egg, and stirred a bit. And then I actually remember to add milk, which added and now combined together. Then that's the combination there. Flour the countertop. Place it on there, and then I knead it about 10 to 20 times. I don't quite remember the exact amount. And then I let it sit to rise for about 10 minutes, then rolled it out. After rolling it out, we end up actually having more than enough. So we're going to do two small pizzas. That's one, and then a small one. You'll be seeing it later on down in the video. Here I'm just preparing the toppings. I removed the skin off from onions. I did red bell pepper, a yellow and a green for color. It also actually enhanced the taste of it as well. I'm now cutting them up in strips or ribbons. That's not what you want to call them. And that's the yellow one and the green already done. And now I'm about to do the red one. Here we go. And then I actually have a finished photo of them looking quite beautiful right there. Now the onions, I actually separated this from them so I could actually add them separately. So this is the finished onion. This is my girlfriend actually cutting up onions and scallions and some garlic to make some sauce to actually sauce that pizza dough. We actually did a bit of oil and put them in the frying pan and give them a quick stir and add a bit of thyme right there. And also now a bit of tomato paste right there. That was purchased from TBJD, some Swiss barbecue sauce. And now we kind of bake the dough for about 20 minutes to get it ready and then added the sauce to it. And that's actually her doing her part right there, adding her sauce to a small one. She's cheesing it right now, and then she is actually going to, that was mozzarella, I think. I'm not certain the next cheese, but it was some shredded cheese right there. Very fine bread powder type thing. I am not a really fan of cheese, so I don't really know the name. Now she's adding her toppings. She set them all fancy like she just wanted to set them all as she wanted to. So now she's adding the chicken right there. I actually had to stop her. She was about to use all the chicken on that small piece. And now she had some onions and a bit more cheese on top to cement it. Now this is me adding the other one, the sauce to the other, getting it prepared after baked. No, this is adding the toppings, the cheese right there. That's my big crusty hands right there. So the cheese is yep, turn on some cheese. I don't really like cheese. And then I put on the meat. I will on meat on there, quite a lot of meat. And then the actual sweet peppers rather, not potatoes, sweet peppers. We are adding the sweet peppers, then the onions, and then I added a bit more cheese afterwards. Here we go, same shredded mozzarella right there. It was added, and then this was what came out of the oven after about 20 minutes later. This was what came out, and this is the cutting of that pizza. That's just a round, small one. I didn't actually cut the large one as it wasn't necessary. I did cut and video this one. It's a bit stringy, but not as stringy as I expected. The amount of cheese that went on it, but it was great. It was lovely. We did enjoy. So like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Thank you. Bye bye.